In our first word problem video, we learned several important things. We learned that work equals rate times time. We also learned how to determine the rate, that the rate was 1 over the time to do one job. And we're going to use those in this problem. Now again, we're going to build a table for our information. Okay, so if we read the problem, we have Rob can mow an entire lawn at Conn Manor in 2 hours. So that's important information there. When he works alone. Leanne can work the same job in 3 hours if she works alone. So if Rob is working by himself for 1 hour, then Leanne joins him. How long will it take them to finish mowing the lawn? This one is different because they're not working together the full time. So this is going to make a little adjustment in what we're going to do here. Okay, so first of all, we have Rob. Okay. Rob, okay, can do the job in 2 hours. Where Leanne can do the job in 3 hours. Okay. Now, we need to determine the rate. Now, remember what we said in the last video is that the rate, as we pointed out again here, is 1 over the time to do the job. So the rate for Rob is going to be 1 over 2, where the rate for Leanne is going to be 1 over 3. Now the time, this is where the difference comes in. We know that Rob worked 1 hour and then Leanne joined him. We don't know how long it would take them to finish working together. So Leanne is actually, her time is going to be the answer to the question. So we'll call her T because we don't know how long she's going to work. But we do know that Rob worked 1 hour longer because he had already been working for 1 hour when Leanne joined him. So then that's the time, and then rate times time equals work. So I have 1/2 times t plus 1, rate times time for Rob, and we have 1/3 time, which is rate times time for Leanne. That's how it works. And again, they're doing the whole job, so together it's going to add up to 1. So our equation is going to be work for Rob plus the work for Leanne equals 1 job. And the work for Rob is 1/2 times t plus 1, and Leanne is 1/3 times t. Now, to get rid of the fractions, which is probably the easiest way to do this, I'm going to multiply by the least common denominator, in which case is 6. Now, when I distribute here, you'll see that I have the 6 canceling with the 2, so I end up with 3 times t plus 1. And over here, the 3 cancel with the 6, I'm left with 2t, and the other side I have 6. So again, I have another distribution here, so I get 3t plus 3 plus 2t equals 6. Add the common terms, I get 5t plus 3 equals 6. Subtract 3 from both sides, I get 5t equals 3. I divide by 5, I get t equals 3/5. So that means the answer to our question, I'll just pick another color, is that the job will be finished in 3/5 of an hour. That's also how long Leanne worked. Rob actually worked 1 3/5 hours, but that's not the answer to the question. We don't know how long they worked together. Our next video will deal with another variation of this theme.